twos.
This is how to do the cat-cow pose. So we're gonna start in a tabletop position. You bring your knees about hip-width distance apart here. Try to keep your hips over your knees and then shoulders over wrists. This is a great pose to connect with your breath before your practice. So you'll see this in a lot of yoga classes. Tops of the feet flat on the mat. We do want to kind of press down to the earth with the tops of our feet. So you'll feel more of an engagement through the core and through the torso here. So as we inhale, we drop our belly, we rotate the shoulders down and back as we gaze up to the sky. And then as you exhale, you push through the hands, you protract your shoulders, bring your chin to chest, suck your navel into your spine and squeeze. You push all of your air out here. And then you inhale, drop the belly, gaze up. Exhale, rounding through the spine, chin to chest, and you flow with your breath each movement. And the most important thing to remember during this pose and this stretch is to not care what you look like and to just focus on how you feel. This is a great stretch to really connect your mind, body, and breath.